Doctor's prescription. First one RX treatment. Second HX history. Third DX diagnosis. OD once a day. BD twice a day. TDS three times a day. QD four times a day. QOD every other day. HS at bedtime. OH every hour. SOS if needed. AC before meals. PC after meals. NPO nothing by mouth. PR rectal. PO by mouth.